In today's video, we will learn how to create stock group. First of all, we will go educational mode, then go create, go with stock group, then put the name of stock group like garments. Enter under primary, yes, enter again. I will put another one grocery. Enter, put it yes, enter. Another one electronics. Enter, press Y for yes, enter again. Now we will show, go with display more reports, then go with inventory books, then stock group summary. Here we can see what we already created. Now thanks for watching.